Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Wyoming Department of Revenue for sales tax access step by step clearly. To authenticate with the Wyoming Department of Revenue for sales tax access, begin by visiting the Wyoming Department of Revenue website. Navigate to the Online Services section on the homepage. Look for the option related to sales tax registration or access. Next, click on the link that directs you to the sales tax online portal. You will see a prompt for account authentication. Enter your user ID in the designated field. Next, input your password in the corresponding box. If you do not remember your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions provided to reset your password. Once your user ID and password are entered correctly, click the Login button. After logging in, check for any notifications or updates regarding your account status. If prompted, complete any required verification steps, such as answering security questions. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard that appears after logging in. From here, you can manage your sales tax access and submit necessary filings. If you encounter any issues during the authentication process, refer to the Help section for troubleshooting. Ensure your browser is updated for optimal compatibility with the website. Once authenticated, regularly monitor your account for compliance and updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.